Okay, guys, we are now back in business. We are now back in the air. Is everybody ready to get back into business? We are now back in live in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and action! Yeah! Good job, so far so good. We're back from the break, and now let's continue the game. Let's go! Oh yeah! I'm Wario. I'm gonna win. Hi Hans, what did you eat during the break? Oh, thank you so much for the bread that you gave me. It was so delicious. Even the piatos that you gave me, it was so good. You mean this piatos? Yes, this piatos was very yummy. I think I have more energy now to win. Yeah, you want more? Here you go. Yum, 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 yum. Thank you. Yummy. Oh yeah, thank you so much. And now it's time to go to the next race. And by the way, according to our schedule, at first we start off with the easy races, and now for Daredevil Challenge, it's now time to skip medium and go to the hard races. Oh yeah, I'm ready to try the hard races. Are you ready? Let's go! So let's start with map number 1. Here at the map number 11, everybody. Oh yeah, welcome aboard. We are now ready to play at the Grumble Volcano, where that we're gonna suffer the heat and play and beat in the summer heat. Wahaha! Good luck, losers. You're gonna need it. Good luck, racers. We're gonna win. Let's go. Let's do this. Okay, let's see if my George Foster will catch up, and we'll see if Warrior will still continue to be a new fast racer. Let's go. Oh, come on, Matthew Beam. Hey, stupid, I can't even get that shit. Jesus, no. What the fuck, Kurt? Are you trying to ruin? Jesus Christ. Ate Sadie, why did you do this to me? Or Ate Bubay, or Ate Vice Ganda. Ewan ka na dyan, kung ikaw talaga naging fast racer dyan, tiny talaga. Pero anybody, at least I still got a new. Whoa! Come on, it's always that trend. Every time I try to jump over the lava pit, but yet I still fall down. It's not funny, this is ridiculous. So stupid. Come on, give me something good. Nice. Okay, jump. There. Let's take this area. Come on, Mini Chai, you follow me. This way. Come on, brother. What's your name, brother? Andrew. Brother, what's his name, brother? Brother Marwin, brother Daniel, hurry up! Nice! This way! Okay, very good. Shit! Okay, very nice. Okay, very good. Okay, let's get to it. Where's that guy? Come on, brother Jason. Whoa! Nice! Whoa! Look at that! Look at that Ati Ira! Or that Ati Joy! Or that Ati, what's her name? Or that Ati Steph! She's now catching up for the win! Do you even believe it? I think she might. Whoa! What the fuck was even that? Whoa, what the fuck? There was a close one. I thought I was gonna get hurt by that trap. Who's in the front right now? Oh my goodness, I still have that. No! Jesus! That wasn't supposed to happen. I'm supposed to jump, not fall down. You. What the fuck? Whoa, amazing! I didn't even know that there were thunderstruck here. But don't worry, let's see if I can make it through. Come on! Nice, I get 3 mushrooms. Jump! At least we were able to jump the treacherous part. Let's go! Come on, baby. What's your name, baby Noah? Follow me. Wow, look at that. At least there's a new fast racer already on the bush. Let's see where they got. Whoa, what the fuck? What in the name of who is the first stage racer who got hurt by a blue shell? I don't even know, but those things are getting much too exciting. And now the fast racer are already improving more than ever. Go on this way. I can't get to the pipe. I need to hurry. Where are we on for the win? think that Ben Hazard might be a new fast racer. Just check it out, which makes a major difference with that brother Delwyn. Come on, he was so close to be a fast racer. Now what is... Wow! Just look at my church buster now. He's already catching up. He's still up for the win, convoying me. Yes! That's great, guys. Yeah. Why are we here? It's time to hit another Gumbo volcano. Oh yeah, it's time to feel the burn. It's so hot, 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 hot. Well, Cam, that's what I was trying to tell you. The loser at the end of the video will have to get dumped themselves in a big lava pool, and they have to bathe in there for more than an hour before they escape. Oh, I don't want to do that. It's so disgusting. Well, you better be, Cam. So you try to win. Let's go. Ah! Anyway, so now we're already done with the Grumble volcano, and now let's move on to the race. So as you can see, according to the scoreboard, my church buster is still in the lead, together with baby Salish, and look at that baby Ranger, or that baby Jackies, or that Six Otactis. He's still catching up. Look at that. Baby Luigi for the win. Yeah, you. So tell me what, baby Ranger or baby Cloudy, what did you eat during the break? Baby eat French fries. Baby eat the French fries at Potato Corner. They are so yummy. Oh yeah, I forgot the beach antics pala.
Hello, Koopa. You know what I also ate during the break? I also ate yummy pizza. Yummy pizza. That was so delicious. Thank you so much for the pizza.
Yup, that's so good. And now, it's time to call on my best friend, Keon! Keon!
Yay! Hi, Rappy. Are you back with another racing episode?
Yes, Keon! And do you know why?
Did you get a perfect 10 again in church?
Correct! You see what happened to me, Keon? The reason why I'm hosting now another Mario Kart Wii exciting episode, relax, brother, relax.
Don't get too excited. Calm down. So tell me, why do you plan to host them in...
So tell me, brother, why do you want to host another episode of Mario Kart? Well, to be honest, Keon, the reason why I plan to host another episode of Mario Kart, it's because look at this. You see what happened to me when I arrived in church? After I was able to show you some Mario Kart videos and stuff, and as you went home, I was still determined to complete all the other stuff in my list. And do you know what happened to the card? Look at this. Look at that, bro. It's all filled in. What do you know, bro? All check. Check. All check. All the 10 checks. Thank you, Lord. Woo!
Wow, that's so good, Brother Rappy.
Anyway, so what did you eat during the break, Kian?
Oh, thank you for the piatos.
The piatos again, like this?
Yes, brother. I was able to eat some piatos. They were yummy. Meow. Thank you.
Okay, Kian. Now it's time to go to map number 12. Are you with me?
Hey, are we supposed to be going to the GB Bowser Castle 3?
You're close, Kian. But you know, according to our racing schedule, we are at the hard races. And the GB Bowser Castle 3 is not in the hard races. That's in the medium race. And according to our schedule, map number 12 is N64 Bowser Castle. So choose the race, Kian.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, everybody. Is everybody ready to feel the hot summery burns? Because here we are at the N64 Bowser Castle, ready to feel some more summer heat. Oh, bro. I hope you don't feel fervent about girls. Feel fervent about the Lord. I know, Kian. Here we go. Here we go! Let the fun continue. Let's run! What the heck? Come on, Brother Joel! Hurry up! Remember, we need to team up with each other. You can't slow down, bro. Whoa, nice. I got the bench mechanism. Yikes! Oh my goodness, brother. Come on, Brother Jovier. Hurry up. Remember, the fun is still on. Nice one, Brother Jay. I know you're still on the run now, but keep up the good work in your flame runner. Because I know that you're a fast racer in reality with that flame runner. Keep it up, brother. Don't slow down. Hurry! What the fuck? Who the hell put that there? Never mind. Come on, guys. Convoy. Follow my church pastor. I wonder where will he go now. Faster! What the heck? What is wrong with you babies? Why did you fall down? That wasn't supposed to happen. What the heck? What happened to Brother Sam? What in the name of? Wow, God is so good. Imagine if there were a thunderstruck, then I would fall down and die. Thank the Lord. Imagine that. And I wonder what happened to that Brother Pete. Wow! Nice one! He's already catching up for the win, yo! Come on, Brother Jason! Come on, Brother Marwin! Or Brother Brian! Hurry! Let's go, Brother Darrell! Follow me! Jesus Christ, not that! Anyway, keep up the good work. Hurry, hurry! Come on, Brother Maxwell, let's go! Stupid! Get away from me. And he's now already confirmed that he is a fast racer. Let's go! Stupid Frank. Ouch! Come on! You could have done that earlier! Duh! Whoa, look at that baby Chai who's already catching up now. Would you look at that, yo? Hurry! Follow me, baby Chai. It's this way. And that way. Okay, we're gonna have to go through that. Oh, no, what's that? Oh, that was a fucking legit close one. I knew he died for that matter. Hurry up! What the fuck? Why did I just hit that? Okay, to the right, to the right, to the right. Whoa, what the fuck? Hey! Come on! I was trying to dodge that thing! Whoa, nice. That's a great way to how to spawn up. Nice one, Brother Jay. Nice one, Brother Peter. Come on, Brother Chris! Hurry up! The finish line's just near. We better see if you're a fast racer. You better get this down, yo! Faster, Brother Pete! Faster, Brother Chris! Move it! No! Dang it! Never mind, at least I'm still shit! Come on, Brother! No! Okay, Beth, keep it up. Shit. Why would I hit you? Never mind. Whoa, would you look at that? It's time for that Kuya Alden Richard to catch up. I think if he were to convoy me... What the fuck? Unfair! But fair enough because it kinda evens out. But still unfair because my church pastor is never coming for the win. Hurry up, Brother Elvin. We better move it. Better move it for the win, yo. There's no time to waste. Follow me. Okay, Brother Elvin, follow me. After this, we're gonna have to turn left and then go up the ramp. It's a steep one though, but we can do this. Good luck. Jesus. Stupid lightning. But don't worry, we can still make it through. Hurry. Where is the lava going this time? To the left. So therefore, we're gonna be to the right. Okay, stay consistent to the right. This way. And we're almost there. And then, come on, Brother Elvin. And voila. There. Nice. Oh, thank goodness. Whoa. I think I feel that maybe Luigi is confident to be a new fast racer. It's not anymore Brother Delvin anymore in his aero glider. I was so shocked in the first place to see what happened. That Brother Ezekiel was supposed to be the fast racer. But no. But look at that. That Kuya Sneer will still catch up though. Wow. Great job, guys. Hey, Serapi, that was the game. You do not believe it, Keon. Do you know who is the fast racer? My church master! Shh. Brother, come now. Don't get too excited. I know you're always excited whenever you host Mario Kart, but can you kindly please lower down the volume? Ay, nako, Kian. Hey, brother, can you please kindly lower down the volume before you disturb other people? Yeah, I know, Keon. And besides, how can I stop screaming because my church pastor or a brother in Christ is a fast racer? Let's go! Brother, don't shout. Brother, don't shout, ha? Always na lang palagi ka na masaya dahil ako talaga yung fast racer. Don't shout, brother, ha? Okay? Be boring. Remember the word. Be boring.
Brother Rapi, ah. Now, Brother Reynan is telling you how to be.
Ay, nako, Zion.
Brother Reynan is telling you na to be boring just like Brother Alvin because you are so loud na talaga that Brother Alvin already had a headache. Now, Brother Reynan will tell you to stop before Brother Alvin will get another headache.
Ay, nako. Grabe talaga yung mga antics na yun. Anyway, next race, everybody. Alright, everybody. It's time to move on to the next race, where we're gonna be racing at... Kuya Long! Kuya Billy! Bakit nagbabalik ka na naman? Isang makulay na gabi! Kapamilya! Oh, I think I gotta go this one.
Negi, ano mo talaga? Mahal talaga kita. Oh, Kuya Lou. Siyempre, mga bestie tayo. Ganito kasi yun, Ate Negi. Kasama natin, hahaw. Anong talaga gawin namin? Oh, Kuya Lou, dahil ganito, kanta tayo. Panalangin nang dito na sa... Halika dito, Ate Negi. O ano na ito, Kuya Lou? Ano na yung sapatos mo? Oy, Kuya Lou, sapatos ko! Uwes ka na dito, Ate Negi. Dahil ikaw talaga walang kwenta, putay mo.
Ay, nako, Kuya Luis. Grabe talagang saya. Anyway. O sana tayo pumunta na yun? Alam ko na. Pumunta na tayo sa Moonview Highway. Dahil dito, sama-sama sa tawanan, here, there, and everywhere. Dito lang sa Dabawayan Chetan Show! Bararap, di bats na, panibuda do do da, Ay, nako mga tawa. Sige nga, Kuya Luis. Choose na the next race. But before that, Kuya Luis, what did you eat during the break, Kuya Luis? Alam mo talaga kinain ko? Ang kinain ko ay ganito. Ito yung kinain ko kanina sa race. Miswa. Anong ibig sabihin miswa? Oo, Ate Negi. Alam ko na. Negi, alam mo yung kinain ko sa race? Sa break? Miswa. Negi, anong ibig sabihin ng miswa? Oh, Kuya Lou, miswa. Ibig sabihin, Miss. Dahil ang Miss Universe, ito, si Julia Barreto. Oh, ay nako, I want to share this to Brother Elvin. Oh, ito, Kuya Luis, ang Miswa, ang nung ibig sabihin na Miss. Halimbawa, tingnan mo si Miss Julia Barreto, ang sexy, di ba? At anong ibig ng swa? Ibig sabihin, nagbigay siya ng flying kiss sa aming lahat. Swa! Miswa. Kaya tingnan mo talaga ang Miswa, ito na talaga,
gusto ko i-kiss ko si Kuya Lomay dahil mas miswasaya kung kinis ko siya. Yak! Ay, nako, dahil dyan, anong sabihin mo mga bata? Mamaya na yan! Singa! Punta na tayo sa Moonview Highway! Kaya sana dapat madilim na! Okay, Kuya Luis! Lights out! Ito na! Punta na tayo sa Moonview! Kaya mo yan, ha? Okay, everybody! It's now time for map number 13. According to the schedule, yes, we are going to Moonview Highway. Oh, isang magandang makulay na gabi! Kapamilya! Oh, ito na! Maglaro tayo! Here we go! Let's go! Here we go! Let's start! What the fuck? Hey! That's so unfair talaga. That can't be happening. We better go on. Focus! Come on, there was something wrong that happened to my game a while ago. I don't know why. But it's supposed to... Hey, why would I need that here? I don't need that shit! I know kung Kuya Luis sa mga antics mo. Iwan ka na dyan. Time mo talaga. Yo! Brother Jason! Bakit di ka naging fast racer? Kaya ba yan, bro? Huwag ka na maging mabagal. Kailangan dapat mas mabilis. Ay, nako, yung sweet na naman. Tado naman. Alam ko na, gusto kita masayaw na mabagal. Ito na yun. Mga antics ko na naman. Hoy, mga bobo kayo! Tado ka! Bilisan mo! O, sino maging fast racer? Si Baby Black Rider naman. O, di wow! Bilisan mo! Okay, ito na! Ay, nako, ito na yung mga kotse. Mga cambio naman tayo. Ay, nako, gawin naman kayo. Ay, nako, ang tartado naman yung truck. Pero di ba, at least naman I can still move on and pick up full speed. Ay, nako, tingin mo talaga si Hans. Naging boring racer na naman. Ay, nako, alam ko na, mamaya mag-cambio na lang tayo. Oo, cambio na tayo. Alam mo talaga si Brother Derwin, palagi siya mabagal. Cambio! Eh kasi nga, palagi siya naman dahil siya daw ay boring. Ay, nako, magtao na naman tayo. Dahil dyan, mamaya magbabugang na lang tayo, magbobo kayo. O magkasagay-sagay na lang tayo. Kung ayaw yung pulis, eh wag ka na dyan, magbobo kayo. Ay, nako, isip kayo. Tado! Hoy, kago! What's next? Ay, nako, ate Perms or ate Charms. Ikaw talaga na ay ano yun? Nag-crucial attack, eh wag ka na dyan. Bilisan mo, kailangan ko talaga naman na ano, magbobo kayo. Ay, naku, anak na masaging. Bakit ito talaga mga saging? Palagi natapa. Cambio! Eh kasi nga, kapag ang saging ay nag-slip over sa banana, siya sa iyo. Ay, naku, grabe. Hoy, tayo mga bomba! Mga bomba talaga yung ano ko. Cambio! Eh kasi ang mga bomba ay, ano yun? Ay, ang sakit. Ay, naku, grabe naman talaga. Ouch! Ay, naku, ito naman talaga. Panalo na si Ping. Hurry up! Yes! Kahit second place, okay lang yan. Uy, grabe naman talaga yung bagong. Mas mabilis. Wow! Galing talaga yung church master ko, oh. Pwede siya maging fast racer. Kaya isang baby turtle.
Cambio! Siyempre naman, kahit ang mga bago ay mabagal, ang bago ay mabilis sa pagkain.
Sige, cambio na. Ito na. Stop! Alam mo talaga yung mga red kotse ay ibig sabihin Hashtag!
Cambio!
Pero mga hashtag na may kotse, tumigil ka na. Dahil hold upper to. Yeah! Ito na, magkambyo na. Sabi ko sa'yo, ako yung pulis. Ako talagang pulis na ano yun, na gusto ko talaga, gusto ko maging sa pangako.
Cambio!
Kasi nga, marami mga hold-upper. Kaya naman, mas gusto pa rin ako maging matulis at malakas na isang pulis. Ito na! Gawin mo ba? Alam mo talaga, kahit madilim talaga ang nasa labas, nasa loob, mailaw.
Cambio!
Kasi nga, kung ang loob ay mailaw, dahil, ano yung ilaw? Ang love life ko! Mwah! Yeah! Ay, nako! Last na! Tingnan mo. Tingnan. Hindi mo sabi sa inyo talaga dahil ano yun, si Maria man ay naging mabilis na naman at nakita niya talaga sa posto niya ang girlfriend niya. Dahil ang jowa niya, si Princess Ali, nakasala niya sa career last time at hindi na kami naging fast racer. Tapos na yun, wala na talaga yung mga jowa ni Brother Rafi. Kaya naman ako talaga naging fast racer. Yay! Woohoo! That's it, everybody. Stay tuned for now. And this is the longest comedy gang show. This is...
Bubble Gang!
Yay! That's right. Bubble gang, bubble gang, bubble gang, 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 gang. Bubble gang, bubble gang, bubble gang, 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 gang. Bubble gang, bubble gang, bubble gang, 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 gang. Just do it with the bubble gang.
Bubble Gang! Bubble Gang! Bubble Gang!
Just do it, bubble gang. Just do it, bubble gang. Just do it, bubble gang.